Let's create Android apps with anti-gravity in just 5 minutes. So here we go. Open the Google and type here download Anti-Gravity IDE. Open this website and download this. You have to install it on your laptop. Now we need to open Anti-Gravity IDE. As you can see, this is one. Open this and click on Yes, trust the author. Now from here, we need to click on the file. Then open the any folder. Now create any folder or select any folder. So let me just select App Inventor and open. So this is the folder I have selected. There is no file right now. Now in the right side, you will see here the chatbot. Click on this. You just need to click on that toggle button to enable it, like here. Now just type here, create a to-do list app. Okay. Now we need to mention here one website link, and that is code2.appinventor.mit.edu. You need to paste this link here. I'll give you that link in the description. Using this link without login, Anti-Gravity can access the platform and create an app for you. You can describe here the features, what features you really needed in your app. People can add tasks and delete them. Simple. You have to use this MIT App Inventor platform. I need a AIA and APK file. Simple and enter. So what is AIA file? So once we receive the AIA file, we just need to import this into our platform and we can build, modify and export this file into APK file. And we can export this into the AV file that we can upload on the Play Store. So we have to just wait few seconds here. Now, as you can see here, all is done. In the left side, we have the AIF file. Okay. Now, open the platform called inter.mit.edu. I'll give you this platform link also in the description. You need to log in with your Google account. Go to the project option. Click on import project AIF file from my computer. Open this folder. As you can see here, we have this AIF file, to-do list AIF file. Just drag and drop this file here and okay. Now, as you can see here, we have this to-do list app. As you can see here, he created a proper title, add task, here this, delete selection, clear all, with including the all blocks coding. Now, what we have to do to create an APK file of this app, we just need to click on build and click on APK file. And this platform generate an APK file for us. This is the file. You can scan the QR code to download the APK file or just click on this and we have this APK file. If you want to upload this app to the Play Store, you can simply build the AV file. So this is how you can create the Android apps in just 5 minutes with the help of Anti-Gravity. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.